everyone! My name is Josephine and I'm here for another Christmas centerpiece project. This time we are making a round one and we'll make use of my succulent dish garden and transform it to something Christmassy like this. The process is similar to making a Christmas wreath, so we'll make use of this wooden wreath ring from the dollar store and just wrap a garland around it. If you want to skip this step, you can get something pre-made if you wish to. Now it's time to embellish it with whatever ornament or decor pieces you have. You can make use of the glue gun or tire wire to attach them. In the beginning, I think I put too many white poinsettia and I didn't like how it turned out. So I revised it to include more Christmas cherries and pine cones. Just feel free to experiment until you have achieved the look that sparks joy in your heart. I glued my dish garden on an improvised plastic stand so that it pops out at the center. The only thing I changed in the dish garden is to replace the driftwood with this glittery candle, then add pieces of Christmas cherries and the pine cone. Hope you like our round succulent dish garden Christmas centerpiece. Give us a thumbs up if you did. Share nyo na din po. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you haven't done so. Happy crafting!